Did you know how do democratic processes work at Anubhuti Learning Center? At our center, the power to run a community does not lie in the hands of 2 or 3 adults. Here, children have an equal say in running the community. Everybody takes co-responsibility for the betterment of the center. In addition to that, children take an active role in various other processes to run the community democratically.
The governance process at Anubhuti, which is also a democratic process, is done through flock meeting. It is where the entire community comes together to make rules based on the problems of the community. It's a 2-round process. In the first round, the entire community gets divided into 3 flocks. Each flock makes rules to bring to the second round. In the second round, each flock shares their rules and vote for each other rules. Then, after the meeting is over, the recorder records it all in a rule book.
Did you have a question in your mind that what happens when somebody breaks a rule? So we have a solution. It is court. Court plays a vital role in our democratic community. The court addresses non-compliance with rules and interpersonal conflicts. If a fight takes place or a rule is broken, then the one affected will write a complaint and put it in the complaint box. Children become judges in the court, and the process to solve the problem involves building awareness, understanding the need, and requesting for a change.
The purpose of the committees is to increase the efficiency in certain functions of our community. Depending on the need, several committees can be formed. Any member can volunteer to join different committees to perform different responsibilities. These committees meet regularly to come up with proposals and pass them through flock meetings in order to become rules and guidelines for the community.
So you have already heard of all these democratic processes at Anubhuti, and you must be wondering why these democratic processes when children should be learning subjects. So these democratic processes help children learn the tools for learning. Now, what are these tools for learning? So these tools for learning is like problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, collaboration, creativity. And you must be wondering, why do they need this? So our school, our learning center believes that these are the skills which each and every one of us will require and are requiring to survive and work and do things in the world. So once you learn these, then it's so easy for children to function in the world. Then as when they grow adults, they can use these so easily, and this is a practice ground. So when they become judges, they are able to look at things more without bias. Can they start looking at problem solving? When they are doing governance, they look at the problems and how do they come up with solution. So the focus becomes not learning the subjects, but learning how to learn. And democratic processes helps them right from now to be an empowered citizen in the world.